Quincy Center Station. Quincy Center Station is an intermodal transit station in Quincy, Massachusetts. It is a transfer station between the MBTA Red Line subway, MBTA Commuter rails, Old Colony lines, and Greenbush line, and a number of MBTA bus routes. It is located between Hancock Street and Burgin Parkway in the Quincy Center district. Opened in 1971, the station was covered by a large parking garage which was closed in 2012 due to structural problems. A project to remove and replace the garage is underway. All buses and trains are accessible from the Hancock Street entrance. Access from Burgin Parkway was formerly through the garage. A new accessible entrance will be added as part of the current project. History. Old Colony Railroad. The Old Colony Railroad opened its main line from South Boston to Plymouth on November 10, 1845. Quincy Station was located at Quincy Square behind the Town Hall. New station buildings, low brick structures very similar to the extant building at Norwood Central, were built at Quincy and Atlantic in 1900, with shelters serving the line's two tracks. Service on the former Old Colony lines, operated by the New Haven Railroad since 1893, ended on June 30, 1959. The Quincy Depot was later demolished. Red Line. Commuter rail. In November 1987, the MBTA indicated plans to repair the parking garage. In 1991, the MBTA installed 2 elevators, making the station accessible for the first time. In 1990, the MBTA began construction on the restoration of parts of the former Old Colony system. A single commuter rail track was built through the west side of the station, with a full-length high-level side platform west of the track. Service began on the Middleborough/Lakeville line and Kingston/Plymouth line on September 29, 1997. The Greenbush line opened on October 31, 2007, with some of its trains stopping at Quincy Center as well. Some seasonal Cape Flyer trains stopped at Quincy Center in 2013 and 2014, but did not starting with the 2015 season due to schedule changes. In January 2018, Quincy Center was changed from Zone 1 to Zone 1 with a subway equivalent fare to South Station on commuter rail. This continued after Wollaston reopened in 2019, as parking was then limited at North Quincy Station due to garage construction. With the North Quincy project near completion, Quincy Center reverted to Zone 1 on July 1, 2021. Garage closure and replacement. On July 4, 2012, the Quincy Center parking garage was closed indefinitely due to structural issues. Built in 1971, the garage is the oldest anywhere on the MBTA system. Red Line, MBTA commuter rail, and MBTA bus service to the station continue as normal. However, the Burgin Parkway entrance is no longer handicapped accessible. In March 2016, the city released preliminary plans for a replacement structure, paid for by a $970,000 federal grant. 3 structures would be built: a new garage with the same number of spaces, a justice center with a new Quincy District Court, and an office building for the National Park Service and its bus shuttle to Adams National Historical Park. The garage would have street-level retail locations. The busways would be relocated to the Burgin Parkway side and a roof added. The Kiss and Ride drop-off lane would remain on the Hancock Street side. The project is estimated to cost $52 million. The city proposes to use $10 million in state money approved in 2014, $20 million in federal grants, and $22 million from a private partner who would operate the facility for several decades. No city money will be used to pay for the project. In July and August 2016, bracing was installed in the closed garage to stabilize it while the new structure was designed. During September 2016, the USDOT granted $4.02 million for planning the new station. In October 2016, Quincy Mayor Thomas Cock announced that the courthouse part of the proposal would be withdrawn due to local opposition and a lack of available state funds, but planning for the station and office building would continue. The MBTA will remove the former garage, replace the existing elevator, and add an accessible entrance to Burgin Parkway as a $25 million project lasting from July 2017 to December 2018, with future air rights development to come later. A $67.867 million contract, which also included the full renovation of Wollaston Station, was approved on June 19, 2017. Bus connections. Through the first half of the 20th century, Quincy was served by a number of eastern Massachusetts street railway streetcar and bus lines with both local routes and through service as far as Providence, Rhode Island. Some routes continued through Quincy to Fields Corner via Hancock Street and Neponset Avenue. After a legal battle, the MBTA acquired the remaining Eastern Mass lines on March 30, 1968. When Quincy Center opened in 1971, most of the Fields Corner routes were cut back to the new terminus. Quincy Center is now the terminal of 15 MBTA bus routes, which provide local and short-distance intercity service. All routes loop through the surface parking lot and into a dedicated busway on the Hancock Street side of the station. There is no bus service on the Burgin Parkway side. 210 Quincy Center Station, Fields Corner Station. 211 Quincy Center Station, Squantum. 212 Quincy Center Station, North Quincy, North Quincy, North Quincy. 214 Germantown Quincy Center Station. 215 Quincy Center Station, Ashmont Station via West Quincy, 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 West Quincy, East Quincy, West Quincy, East Quincy, West Quincy, Quincy, West Quincy, East Quincy, West Quincy. 216 Hose Neck Quincy Center Station. 217 Quincy Center Station, Ashmont Station via Wollaston Station. 220 Hingham Depot Quincy Center Station. 221 Fort Point Quincy Center Station. 222 East Weymouth Quincy Center Station. 225 Weymouth Landing Quincy Center Station. 230 Mintello Station Quincy Center Station. 236 South Shore Plaza Quincy Center Station. 238 Holbrook/Randolph Station Quincy Center Station. 245 Quincy Center Station Mattapan Station. Under plans for redeveloping the station site, the busway would be relocated to the Burgin Parkway side of the station. Station layout.